Welcome back to this section. So for this section, we'll be seeing how to import or insert your donut chart. Yeah, just like the name implies, donut chart is this guy here. So you click on this guy and you have this. Like the others, you can adjust as much as you want. So you can adjust as much as you want. I want to see the products. So you drag the product here to the legend. Okay, and then now I want to see how much profit each product made. Okay, so I'll drag the profit here, bring the profit to the value, and now you have this now. So that means Pasio, if the product Pasio made 4.8 million, all right, made 4.8 million. So you can see it made 4.8 million, all right, while VTT made 3.03 million. If you zoom, if you're using your phone to watch this, you might not get the full result. If you're using your desktop, you see it properly. All right, so this gave us 3.3. This product made 3.3 million, and it took 17.96% of this donut chart. So this is how to import your donut chart. Like the others, you can also format it like the other way I showed you. So let's leave the formatting for now, so we can focus on inserting. All right, so this is how to insert your donut chart. In our next class, we want to see how to insert the funnel chart. See you in our next class.